Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix issues adding a contact on Viber. Now, I'm going to show you how to add a contact on Viber. To do so, go to Viber, of course, and then tap on the three dots or more option on the lower right corner of your screen like so. It's going to show you your profile, right? So here you want to scroll down to the bottom until you see add contacts. As you can see here, we have add contact here. So what you want to do is tap on that, and then you can either enter the phone number here, right? So enter the phone number, or you can scan the QR code using your camera, the camera on your mobile phone. For example, we're just going to add somebody. All right, for example, we're going to add the number here, say like that, and then you click continue. And then this contact does not have a Viber yet. Would you like to invite? So just click on the invite, bring you to save contacts, right? So there you go. So add the name here. So put the name here. There you go. Click done. And then you can invite or call with Viber. Now, for the most part, this is pretty much how you do it. But if you are not having any success or something is just holding you up, you might want to check if Viber is up to date. So you go to the Play Store or App Store, type in Viber, see if there are any updates. If there aren't, uh, just reset the app, turn off the app. Also check your Wi-Fi if you're having any issues. After that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.